Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Xbox to an Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass. First, turn off your Xbox. Next, connect your smartphone to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network. If you have not already done so, purchase and activate your Now Wi-Fi Pass or sign in with your existing account to authenticate the connection. Once your phone is connected, locate its Wi-Fi MAC address. You can usually find this by opening your phone's settings and navigating to About Phone, Status, or go to the Wi-Fi section and tap on the information icon on the iPhone. Keep the MAC address available because you will need to enter it on your Xbox. Now, turn on your Xbox and open Settings. Go to General, then select Network Settings. Next, choose Advanced Settings. Then select Alternate MAC address followed by Manual. Carefully type your smartphone's Wi-Fi MAC address exactly as it appears on your phone. Double-check every letter and number to make sure there are no mistakes. After entering the MAC address, save the changes and restart your Xbox when prompted. Once the console restarts, it should use the authenticated connection associated with your smartphone, allowing you to access the internet through your Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. Thanks for watching.